Hello everyone, welcome back to your kitchen. From the previous video, I found out that many of you guys were interested in sausages, particularly hot dogs. I've decided to share a sausage roll with you today. It's easy, delicious, and somehow different from the old classic hot dogs. And the taste should be equal or even better. Without further ado, let's get started. It's really delicious. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Have fun!